Welcome to Meda's Bridge. Train and learn. Let's get started. Today's lab agenda, we shall see sample programs in index and count, find and replace, join, split, partition, trimming white spaces, and format. Working on Python strings using Jupyter Notebook, string index and count. Index method extracts the value of index of first occurrence of first character in a specified substring for the given input string. Here, the given input string, I am reading book. Now, trying to extract index value of substring which is reading. The output would be the index value of first character or of the substring reading is 5. Next, count. Count method returns an integer that denotes a number of times a substring occurs in a given input string. We have taken few examples to see number of times a substring is occurred in a given input string. For this example, we extracted number of times the lowercase e got occurred and the uppercase m got occurred. We see the number of times the D got occurred and the number of times the Medas got occurred and the number of times hello got occurred. If you run it, see the number of times each substring occurred in the given input string. Now, find and replace methods. Find method returns index of first occurrence of substring if it is found in a given input string. If it is not found, then it returns -1. Find method extracts the value of index of the first character, first occurrence of specified string. Here, Meda's Bridge is a good place for easy learning. Is an input string. From this, the find method extracts the index value of first character, first occurrence for the given specified substring which is good. If you run it, you would see the index value and also we extracted the specified substring by giving starting index values and ending index value. We get the substring. Now replace. Replace method replaces a specified phrase with another specified phrase. Here, for an input string, Meda's Bridge is a good place for easy learning. The replace method extracts good and replaces with best. If you run it, see, the Meda's Bridge is the best place for easy learning. String method join. It joins given input string to each character of var string except last element. Here we have input string assigned to var string and this join joins the given input string hyphen to a var string. If you run it, you would see the output this way. This hyphen got joined to the each character until end. Now join method joins this input to each character of var string. If you run it, you would see the output. Now using input method, we take an input string and joins that input to the var string. If you run it, look at this and run it, asking for input. I give an input and then enter. You see the input plus operator join each character of var string until end. Now similarly, we can also join elements of tuple using any string. Like here is a given tuple, the hyphen joins all the elements of tuple. See, the output is python hyphen add maths hyphen bridge. Now we see in another example. If you run it, you would see all the elements of tuple got displayed. Star. String method split splits the string into list. It can specify a separator. Default separator is an any whitespace. Split method splits the given input string as element of list. It takes each element of list till it finds the whitespace or specified value, which we call as separator. Look at the example. Here the input string hello maths. The split method splits the hello maths bridge into list. If you run it, you see hello maths bridge got converted into list. Here are the elements of list. Now coming to the next. Here we specified a separator. The split method splits the input string into list. Next, taking another example, the split method splits the given input string into this. Python at maths bridge. Now string method partition. Partition partitions string into three parts. Look at the example. Partition specified with the separator love. Now partition method takes the input and separates the given input string into three parts. Part before the separator, part after the separator. Partition partitions string into three parts at first occurrence of specified string, splits the given string at first occurrence of separator, and returns a triple, and it contains three parts. If you run we would see the output like this. Taken another example. Here partition method specified with the separator world And now the partition separates the given input string into three parts and returns triple. If you run it, you would see the output like this. Now coming to trimming white spaces. To trim white spaces, we use three methods: left strip, right strip, and strip. Left strip removes all the white spaces from the given input which are in left side. And the right, if you run it, you see the output. Right strip removes all the white spaces from the given string which are in the right side. If you run the R strip method, the white spaces from the right side got removed. Now strip. Strip method removes all the white spaces from the string. See, it removed and gets displayed. These methods specified by another string and the output got displayed along with it. Here the hello, the white spaces got removed and maths, and right side white spaces are still left. Now bridge, the print got this way, and here right spaces got removed, the left side got left, and then hello with space maths bridge got displayed. Here both right side and left side white spaces got removed by the strip method, and then hello maths bridge got displayed. String format. Format is used to combine strings and numbers by using format method. The format method formats the specified values and insert them inside the string placeholder. Placeholder is defined using curly braces. Look at the example. We assigned a value 10 to the price. Now we take string to display with the price of the book. Using format method, we format the given input string with a specified value. Notifying curly braces in the given input string, the part which needs to be formatted with the specified value price. If we run it, the formats the given string with the specified value 10, and this is the output. My Python book price is $10. Coming to the next example, we have three variables assigned with the values. The string needs to be formatted with those values. The format is specified with the values math marks, physics marks, and chemistry marks. In this order, the format formats the whole thing with the given assigned values. If you run it, you see the output. I scored 95 marks in maths, 90 marks in physics, 85 marks in chemistry. Coming to the next example, see. Here there is a change from the previous one to this one. See, here it is given the curly braces included with the index numbers. The format is specified with the variables with the index 0, 1, 2. Likewise, taking the input, the format formats the string in this order. Now, if you run it, you see the difference from here to here. I scored 90 marks physics, 95 marks in maths, and 85 marks in chemistry. See, the order got changed. The physics marks came in first. Likewise, we can easily format the any kind of string. Now look at the next example. Here there is an input string. We are from planet Earth Where do you from? The earth is enclosed in double quotes. See, if you run the string, we have, if you run the code, we have invalid syntax error because of this code. In order to fix it, we have a backslash. If you run it, the output get displayed as we wanted. We are from planet Earth. Where do you from? If you see, look at the example, how we can format the string. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.